Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got some big change coming to the AROS Welding store. We are moving the AROS Welding store to South Dakota. If you haven't been following along, me and my brother are more or less merging what we're both doing. So he has an existing weld shop that he bought, and he's got lots more service-based work than I have down here. So I'm gonna go up there and help him with his service-based business. We're gonna kind of partner on the content. And so with that, we're gonna move all the product to his shop and run it out of there. So, and we need your help with that. So we're offering 50% off of all the shirts and hoodies, the AROS Welding shirts and hoodies, everything you see here. The mini gang, the youth shirts, the short hoods, the branded t-shirts, the come on t-shirts, and of course the AROS Welding branded hoodies. And we've got a few of these, not very many, but a few of these branded hoodies as well left. And then the hats. So we're doing 35% off of the hats to try to lighten our load, because we've got quite a few hats still left. And we're doing 50% off of the shirts and hoodies. You don't need a discount code. All you gotta do is go to AROSSWELDING.com, put a shirt or hoodie, oh, and candles. I think the candles are 50% off as well. But huge discount to try to lighten our load. So just put stuff in your cart and hit the checkout button, and the discount will already be applied. It should say moving sale, and it'll say 50% off. So crazy good deals. We appreciate your support. The last day to order will be March 6th. That's when we're shutting down the store. And then we don't know when we're gonna open it back up yet. I would expect it to be 3 or 4 weeks, but you can get updates from us at AROS Welding, or I mean, not at AROS Welding, but by getting on our email list at AROSSWELDING.com. We will send updates there, and the community text. To join the community text number, all you got to do is text the word shop to 405-643-7176, and we will send you updates there as well, as far as when the store is going to open back up and whatnot. So one more thing I wanted to touch on is these circle burners. I've had some people message me asking about when we're going to get circle burners back in stock, and we're not going to put them back in stock until after the store opens back up in South Dakota. So we apologize for the inconvenience. I know that sucks. We appreciate your support. We know you love the circle burner, and I just want to thank those of you that are watching right now that have bought the circle burner or the soapstone. Those are the two most favorite items in the store, and word is obviously getting around about the circle burner. And so I just want to thank you. If you've bought one and you've showed somebody or told somebody or shared it with somebody, I greatly appreciate it. We greatly appreciate it here at AROS Welding. So, and just bear with us, give us a month or so, and we will have them back in stock. So, yeah, thanks for your support, and go ham, go shopping, get you a shirt and a hoodie. Come on, come on. Thanks for watching. Learn something every day. And like I said, make sure and get on the email list or the text so you get updates whenever the store opens back up. We'll talk soon. Much love from the AROS Welding crew.